This question looks very tough, but when you solve it, it's actually not. There are two functions gx and hx. A and m are natural numbers, x is an integer such that x lies between minus 10 to 10, both inclusive, minus 0. Gx is greater than hx for at most 5% of the possible values of x. The number of values that A can have is. How many possible values of x are there? Minus 10 to 10, excluding 0. That means we have 20 values of x here, right? And 5% of 20 is nothing but 1. That means he is saying that gx is more than hx for at most one value of x. So it can be either 0 values of x or 1 value of x. Now gx is more than hx gives you ax raised to the power m mod is more than mod of ax raised to the power m plus 1. So I have multiplied the first part with ax to get this, and still I am getting a lesser value, right? This happens only if the number is multiplying with the number which I am multiplying is a number which is less than 1, right? For example, you see if you put m equal to 1, let's say, so ax mod is more than ax square mod. So I am multiplying this equation by ax, still I am getting a lesser value. That means ax has to be less than 1, and because of mod it has to be more than minus 1. So this gives me that ax should lie between minus 1 to plus 1. Now because a is an integer and x can have maximum 1 value which satisfy this, a is an integer which lies between this. There's only one possibility that a is 0 and x is 0, right? But we are given here that x cannot be 0. Okay, if x cannot be 0, a cannot be 0, or a cannot take any other value, right? Because a is an integer. So for no integral value, you will get any value of ax which lies between minus 1 to plus 1. That means there is no value which satisfies this. Hence the correct option is option B.